Mike Hughes here, and I'm over at Spear Pro. And Elizabeth, you want to tell us a little bit about our the products we have here?
Sure. So Spear Pro offers a line of free dive, spear fishing, and some scuba equipment as well. We just came out with these new knives, which are great. Here they have a lot of features. They come with a line cutter, a shaft extractor in case your shaft gets stuck in a rock, in a fish, and you don't have the leverage to pull with your gloves. You stick it onto the shaft, and then you can pull like this and have that leverage.
Okay.
It comes in a few different blade models. Here you see the needle. So you have that nice sharp point so that you can easily kill a fish after catching it. And it comes with our Teflon coated or polished stainless steel. We have a 3.5 inch, a 4.5 inch, as well as a little mini 3.
Nice.
We also have that same line of sizes in the dagger model.
Right.
And
cool.
A little drop.
Okay.
A little best of both.
And then a mask line?
Our mask line, we have the Venom. We have
low volume masks.
Yeah,
right.
Nice low volume deep. An extra low volume, which is the X Factor.
Oh, yeah.
And this one is one of my favorites because I call it the mustache mask.
Which one is that?
That's this one. This is clear eyes or in a tinted. And what's great about this, if you are like this gentleman and you have problems with getting a seal with your mustache, what the beautiful thing about this line is because the skirt here has such a close to the end of the nose, it forms a nice seal right above your mustache.
Right below it,
so anytime I get someone in who's complaining that they can't get a seal, I recommend this.
Or they get tired of putting gel or wax or whatever.
And of course there's the Vaseline trick.
Yes.
But I recommend this is called the clear eye and the red eye with a tint.
Nice. Okay. And then also we've spear gun lined here as well.
We have a line of pole spears.
Hawaiian style.
So we have them in a variety of colors. As well as different tips. If you don't want to do the 3-prong and you'd like to go for a bigger fish, you could add on a flopper shaft, and that'll allow you to go for a bigger catch.
Yeah, and
we
hold
also
on to
have
it.
a line of reels, both vertical and horizontal. We have a line of wood guns, really beautiful models, either 2 or 3 band, very powerful guns. We also sell our own made bands for both pole spears and spear guns in a variety of colors and length, all custom made for you.
Well, that depends on what fish you're going for. The color.
How fancy you want to be. We also came out with a line of larger bags for our free divers. Now the fins are getting a bit longer. We've been finding a lot of trouble fitting them in your bags. So we've come out with a longer model and with a nice cooler case to put your catch in. Along with hooks on both sides to store your spear guns.
That's a novel idea. I like
We also have a dry bag. And we have a line of flashlights. And if you're into lobster diving, we came out with a gauge that goes right on the edge of your flashlight. So you can be streamlined and you don't have to carry as much stuff. You
don't need 3 hands, just 2.
Exactly. So this is our line of flashlights. Along with, we sell our own slip tips as well. We also have lobster bags like this. It's an easy one pull.
One hand.
And you're open. Some come without a zipper and some have a zipper. So you could just empty out your catch. And along this side, we do our own fiberglass fins. We also have carbon fiber ones as well. And these are great because they are affordable. So you're not looking to break the bank with these. They're not expensive at all.
And gloves?
A whole line of gloves, lobster gloves, tuna gloves, reef gloves, our own line of socks.
Are the lobster gloves a little bit harder or?
Yeah, so if you'd like to see.
Sturdy?
They're Dyneema coated on the bottom. But they also have padding on the back as well. Whereas our tuna gloves have this same on the bottom, but the back, there's no padding, so a little smaller.
A little more maneuverable.
We also have high quality weight belts. With either a metal buckle or a plastic buckle as well, both options. We sell a whole wide range of floats. Something like the Gatherer board, so you could store your catch if you want to collect scallops, something heavy, but you can also rest on there as well. So it's a nice option. And we have both pressurized and floats that you just blow up yourself. So a marker with your dive flag, stainless steel D-rings to maybe hook on, maybe a water bottle, your catch, your fish stringer, whatever you need.
So would now to find out more about your products, they could go online, and where would they go?
Well, if you'd like to order wholesale, you could go to AmericanDiveCo.com.
Okay.
If you're a customer and you just want to do retail, it's just for you, you can go to SpearAmerica.com. So we have a distribution wholesale, but also a retail shop as well. And we have locations two in California and one in Florida, Fort Lauderdale.
Both sides of the state.
Yeah, come and visit us or check us out. SpearAmerica.com for retail and AmericanDiveCo.com for wholesale.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bye.